Hey guys, I'm going to do my last VFO video today, wrapping up that Heathkit VFO video. I'm just sitting here at my ham desk and I'm really bummed out, man, because in the middle of the night I read a comment to an older video. He just, the comments in YouTube are a drag. They're very hard to deal with. They get lost. And unless you create content, you wouldn't know what I mean. But so I came across this comment. There's this nice, I guess he's nice, 71-year-old man posted to an older video of mine. And he said, I don't even know what video it was to. I'd have to relook, and I will. But he said, I made it 11 minutes into your video and basically said I couldn't take it anymore. I had to bail because all you do is talk, you know? And I'd have much rather he jumped my case and called me an idiot, because I know I'm not an idiot. But I also know that I'm not up to the task of making on-point videos, you know? I'm not up to the task of I don't make educational videos. You know what I make? Sorry about clearing my throat. I like to think of my garbage as inspirational entertainment. That's what my stuff is. Inspirational. Well, there we Okay, I'll edit that out. It's just inspirational entertainment. I can't talk less, you know? So I'm going to wrap up that VFO video and stop. At least stop the serious. In a recent post, I said I was going to stop the silly crap, but apparently that's all that my videos are good for. They're not educational. They're not how-to videos, you know? I hope to give you inspiration. Well, some of them are how-to videos. They really are, the unknown ones, at least. Hell, I never got into super hat design because I don't think it's... Yeah. Anyway, so I'm not capable of producing an acceptable educational video, nor have I ever really tried. But I can't talk less. I just can't talk less. And so what to do? Well, I don't want to make people mad. I don't want people to go into my videos and then leave disgustedly at the 11-minute point without having said anything about the subject at hand, is what he said. But, oh well, so be it. If you don't like it, don't watch. Just unsub. It's very simple. Unsubscribe, you know? That's my advice. Do you think I subscribe to channels that I think are awful? Who would? Right? Who would? So, this is the intro to the last restoration Heathkit video. For sure as my name is Blozo, I can't bullshit less. I just can't bullshit less. I hope you're well. You guys